channel. In this video I explain the OUTNET app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the OUTNET app review, the OUTNET app is a go-to for luxury fashion lovers looking for deals on top designer brands like Valentino, Garnier and Alexander McQueen. Often up to 70% off, the app offers early access to sale, exclusive promotion and a smooth interface for browsing, saving favorite and managing orders. You can also get 10% off your first app order with fast checkout and international shipping options. However, some users report occasional app glitches such as slow loading or product page looping. Delivery delays and customer service issues have not been mentioned. Still, if you are after discount, high-end fashion and early sales access, the OUTNET app is worth it. Just be patient with service times, and that's it.